How to create an event on your Discord server. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create an event on your Discord server in less than 1 minute, easy and fast. So first thing, go to the home page. Now choose your server right here. This is my server, as you can see. Now click on the top corner on those three dots right here, and it will take you to this page. Now click on create event option. Now choose where is your event, voice channel or somewhere else. I'm gonna choose voice channel, select the channel and click next. And now choose your event topic and your for example your start date and start time and the description, and click next. And now it's finally done. Click create event and it's created, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much.